Hand tracking differs from using just a regular controller by actually having that interaction with your hands rather than that indirect interaction with controllers. It feels more realistic.
What hand tracking does is that it gets an image from your hand. For example, from the Oculus, it has these two cameras where you can get the hand from. So you can track each one of your fingers on your hand, the movement of your hands.
Essentially, it's using a VR headset like the Oculus One to track where your hands are and then translate that into a virtual space.
In the training session, then they will have a touchpad, which is just a controller to use the robot. They can press each button to move the robot.
Essentially allows that project be more immersive and more accurate to reality, so you can essentially train muscle memory and such. So essentially you have to actually interact with the controller and such as you would in the actual real life space. Makes it closer to reality, and then by extension makes it a better training system for reality.
I think the biggest challenge that we faced for this research was knowing how to use hand tracking, because there are different packages that help you use hand tracking, and each one of them has their pros and the cons. So just having those experiments take a lot of time.
Hand tracking in general and its further research and development, as it continues to get better and better, the better these training simulations and other things like that can be.
Having any type of experience with hand tracking will help to make it easier for the user to use.
The most rewarding part of it is learning. I wouldn't be in computer science if I didn't like learning. It's a lifelong learning thing, and this is exactly what I want to do with computer science.